What's up, guys? Welcome back to another monthly update from DmaxStore, and this one's for June. And as always, we've got new parts, new updates, and new stock on all your favorite Duramax parts. So if you're looking for the latest Duramax gear, you're in the right place. Let's get into it. Starting off with new products, we added a ton of new product listings this month. Diode Dynamics projector headlights. We got the S&B hot and cold side boost tube kit for the LLY trucks. That's super cool. We've been waiting on those for a long time. Got WCFab LML Y-Bridge kits now live. Got Fleece fuel pressure regulator wiring harnesses. Fleece is killing it with all these wiring harnesses for all these parts. They're super high quality and a lot better price than the OEMs. Got the AFE ProGuard fuel filters, so LM2, LZO, and L5P trucks. You got another option for your fuel filters. We've got the Edge A-pillar mounts now available for 24 and 25 L5P, also for the 23 to 25 GM 1500 truck. That's going to be a much nicer mount than what they've had in the past, and you can ditch that suction cup, because we all know those things kind of suck. We got a big one. Banks Ram Air intake for the 2024 L5P is now listed. 24 owners, we know you guys have been waiting. You can now get that intake horn and a cold air intake. All right, in a moment we've all been waiting for, that's going to be your Kryptonite upper controllers for the 1500 trucks. You finally have them available for 2019 and up. We've got leveling kits coming for you guys soon with the full range of Fox shocks. So if you want to upgrade your ride, go ahead and check them out on DmaxStore.com. We've also got some Chassis Unlimited bumpers. Those have just been added. We've got a FASS No Drop Series Plus kit, so that's premium lines, and the fuel sump as well. We even got Fox Factory Billet upper controllers for the 19 and up LM2 and LZO platform. And don't forget, we've added new DMAX merch. We've got the DmaxStore Diesel Patriot shirt that's going to be in a navy blue with an American theme behind it. So a really awesome shirt. Go ahead and get that down in the description. So we've also restocked some of your guys' favorite parts. We've got the Kryptonite lower ball joints for 01 to 10. Those are back in stock. We've got glow plug reaming tools. Those were in super high demand when they first came out, and we've got them back in stock again. We're way cheaper than any of the competitors, and it's a much better part overall, made right here in the United States. We've also got Regulator WIF Sensors back on the shelf, Amsoil gear oils back on the shelf, Kryptonite tie rod and Centerlink packages from 2011 and up are on the shelf, ready to go. All right, as you guys can all see right behind me, we've got the Duramax swapped Mastercraft X80. This is a beast of a boat, 28 feet, yacht certified, just a badass boat, and we slapped a Duramax in there. So it's got an LMM Duramax, putting the power to the prop. We're going ahead and getting this thing back under the knife. Eric is kicking ass and redoing all the exhaust. He's getting this routed on a switch so we can flick a switch and have the exhaust go out the side. Yeah, you heard that right. The exhaust goes out the side now. So we'll be able to flick a switch. You can tell it's a diesel. Instead of being super silent, sounding like every other boat on the market. Be able to tell that this thing is special. So you guys stay tuned. You're gonna be able to see this boat on the water soon. I'm super excited to get out there and rip up the wake out there on the lakes. It's gonna be super, super fun and just a super awesome boat to check out. So go ahead and stay tuned and subscribe to DmaxStore on YouTube. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook and even TikTok. And if you're looking to keep your Duramax on the road and optimize its performance, go to DmaxStore.com. We've got just about every part you can imagine for your Duramax truck. And if we don't have it, go ahead and shoot us an email because we can probably get it.